Okay, to give a quick demonstration, I've got the unit set up. It's plugged into the wall. It was very easy to go through and put together. So I've got the output hose to the left over here. I've got the input hose to the right. Make sure the silver tab is towards the back. You got the switch up here. Like I said, the power cord is in and it's plugged in, ready to go. On the back side, just to show you, your wand will actually go into this section down here. And you have soap or whatever kind of solvent you want to put down there. I'm using the green tip, which is the 25 angle side of it. So basically, once you can go through and turn on this thing to the right. I'm going to turn my water on down here. Yes, it does leak a little bit down there, but that seems to be fine. Just turn it on, spray. You can see at 25 degrees, it gives a pretty good spray there. If I go through, release the wand, you can hear that it turns the unit off. I turn the wand back on again. It turns it back on. So you got a variety of tips that you can go through and use. I will be using this to go through and clean my car engine, as well as my decking and stuff like that I have throughout. It's a good unit. So I'm just going to go through, turn the water off down here on the bottom. I can go through and turn off the power side of it, and that's it, done. I can just go through, wrap it up, and put it away. This will be just a quick demonstration of how it cleans out an engine. Now I went through and sprayed, I pre-sprayed simple green in the engine. Normally you want the engine on, but this is my junk car that I'm getting rid of here pretty soon. But just to show you how it cleans, spray it down. Taking all that junk right out. This thing is pretty impressive. This was a dirty engine compartment, but I like to say it was. Definitely not is. Alright, turning off the video.